If we add first, ignoring order of operations and going left to right, then 2 plus 7 equals 9 times 5 divided by 5, right? Now 9 times 5 equals 45 divided by 5. Now 45 divided by 5 equals 9, right? Now if we follow the standard order of operations, multiplication, right, and then division before addition, then 7 times 5 equals 35, right, and divide by 5 and plus 2. Now division again, so 2 plus 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Now 2 plus 7 equals 9. So it actually gives the same answer in this case, even though we broke the order of operations rules. So 9 and 9.